Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Conversational Quiz. How do you ask someone if they can help you? Can you help me? Help me, can you? You can help? Can you help me? How do you ask about someone's favorite movie? Your favorite movie, what is? What is movie your favorite? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? How do you ask someone if they have any siblings? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Any brothers or sisters do you have? You have brothers or sisters any? Do you have any brothers or sisters? How do you ask someone what they like to do in their free time? For fun, what do you like to do? What do you like to do for fun? Do what you like for fun? What do you like to do for fun? How do you ask someone if they have been to a certain place before? Have you been here before? You have been before here? Been, have you here before? Have you been here before? How do you ask someone about their weekend? Your weekend was how? Was how your weekend? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? How do you ask someone if they have any plans for the evening? You have plans any for tonight? Any plans for tonight do you have? Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight? How do you ask someone if they need anything from the store? You need anything from the store? Do you need anything from the store? Anything from the store do you need? Do you need anything from the store? How do you ask someone if they can give you a call later? Can you call me later? Call me, can you later? You can call later me? Can you call me later? How do you ask someone if they have already eaten? You have eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? Eaten, have you yet? Have you eaten yet? How do you ask someone's name? What is your name? Your name, what is? Is what your name? What is your name? How do you ask where someone lives? You live where? Where do you live? Live where do you? Where do you live? How do you ask if someone has pets? Any pets do you have? Do you have any pets? You have pets any? Do you have any pets? How do you ask about someone's last read book? Last book you read, what was? Was what the last book you read? What was the last book you read? What was the last book you read? How do you ask if someone likes to cook? To cook, do you like? Do you like to cook? You like to cook? Do you like to cook? How do you ask if someone is good at cooking? You are good at cooking? Good at cooking, are you? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? How do you ask if someone likes to travel? Do you like to travel? To travel, do you like? You like to travel? Do you like to travel? How do you ask about someone's favorite movie? Your favorite movie, what is? What is movie your favorite? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? How do you ask about someone's favorite sport? Your favorite sport, what is? What is sport your favorite? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? How do you ask if someone has children? Any children do you have? Do you have any children? You have children, any? Do you have any children?
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.